Hi, we are the Brotherhood team. This video shows that prevent users from sedentary behavior with the functionality of playful, annoying, and multi-person interaction. Its purpose is to remind people to sit for a long time and need to stand up for less sports with others. During the reminder process, the device will generate some annoying elements to simulated users, as well as vital multi-person interaction function is accepted to use, which can enhance the playful element and the interest of the whole device. Our team domain is to prevent sedentary behavior for the public, like office workers, because sedentary behavior will cause lasting damage to the body function. Additionally, sedentary will increase the prevalence of a large number of diseases. A lack of exercise habits causes sedentary behavior. That changes people's attitude towards sedentary needs to enhance their cognition of sedentary, change people's practice, and change their methods of use in daily life. Also, high probability can remind users in time and then change their habits to the greatest extent. The purpose is to conduct a complete type of behavior self-monitoring and goal management. The critical point is that it is easy to use on frequent action, which can make it easy to approach the body and be more attractive. The individual is my work. I have used a video presentation and continuous interview questions to view 2 office workers and 1 home worker respectively. In the whole process of investigation, through information integration, we found several main points: the mean and the necessity of multi-person interaction, the playful elements for personality, and the annoying voice way to remind the user. For 2 wearable nail pixel ring, users need to carry one on their arm and one on their leg, and wear a sensor on their back of thigh. The activation sensor will locate on the back and outside of the pill pixel ring. When the user wears the 2 nail pixel ring on their arm and leg respectively, before users sit down, arm will contact the object to generate pressure, and then the device starts. After the sensor launch, the nail pixel ring that has connected to the sensor will start humming. Each light squared represents a period. When the nail pixel ring is full lit, it means the end of sedentary behavior. Meanwhile, it turns on immediately. The wearable function will to make annoying for user, which can focus on user to stand up. The function of multi-person interaction begin to operate, which the system will automatically turn on a nail pixel ring on all people who have been sitting for about 60 minutes. User would depend on that the nail pixel ring keep a direction to remind the distance between the user and another user to provide a sense of direction, and then to find each other based on position function, and all users will come together. Then the multi-person interaction game launch. In the meantime, when the users find each other, the system will randomly turn on a user's nail pixel ring, and after the user touched the LED on the self arm and leg, the light will be randomly transferred to another user.
The prototype we designed has 6 functions. Andy and I designed the prototype together. I'm responsible for vibration, touch, and data transmission, and then these parts of the functions are shared in the whole design of data transmission. However, it is temporarily impossible to track the filter of another user location through a nail pixel ring, so this function is only displayed by simulation. We have tried to use a GPS sensor to sense the precision of another device, but because of the precision transmission received by the GPS sensor is very large, the short distance detection cannot be realized. In addition, in Fair next, I will explain how to build and the contribution to this prototype. First, when the user places nail pixel ring and triggers the start up function, the LED light will start timing. When all the LED turn on in the meantime, the vibration function turn on to remind the user to stand up to find the others. The vibration function will read the results of timing to activities the vibration function. And this function will be turned on when the system is running, waiting for the end of the timing function. Then the connection point of the vibration is in P5 in the broad, and then the activity according to whether NeoPixel ring turn on.
Secondly, the touch function is a part of all the additional sensors. When the user operated and triggers, the sensor transmits the information to the next step. Next, the user can take an interactive picture of this surface, and then the user can transmit the light sources to another device through the pressure sensor on the NeoPixel ring. My solution is to install a pressure sensor in this place. It can read the power from user pressing. After that, the original device will transmit the light resources to another device through the wireless transceiver. Finally, in the transmission function, I built the multi-user interaction function in the nano development board, and then I configured the wireless translator and the nano board together. Through the information transmission with the other's half, the whole information process of mutual transmission is realized. This configuration function is to pass the signal resources to other user. My main function is to send the signal transmission process.